Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are drowning in tasks and looking for a way to get organized in 2025, you have probably heard of Todoist, but is it worth your time and money? In this video, I'm giving you an honest review of Todoist in 2025, covering the pros, cons, and everything you need to know before diving in. And for now, let's get started. What is Todoist? Todoist is a task management app designed to help you organize your life, whether it's work, school, or personal projects, available on iOS, Android, Windows, macOS, and even a browser extension. It syncs across all your devices. You can create tasks, set deadlines, organize projects, and even collaborate with others. But how does it hold up in 2025? Let's break it down. Pros of Todoist. Number one, we have intuitive interface. Todoist interface is clean and user-friendly. Whether you are a beginner or a productivity nerd, the app has simple design, which makes it easy to add tasks, set due dates, and organize them into projects. The today and upcoming views keep you focused, and the natural language input, like typing buy groceries tomorrow at 5 p.m., is a time saver. It feels like a digital planner that just gets you. Pro number two, cross-platform syncing. Next, Todoist Syncs is seamless. Whether you are on your phone, laptop, or even a smartwatch, your tasks are always up to date. This is huge for people like me who switch devices constantly. Plus, it integrates with tools like Google Calendar, Slack, and Zapier, making it a hub for your workflow. Pro number three, powerful features in premium. The free version is solid, but the premium plan unlocks game-changing features. Think task labels, reminders, filters, and productivity tracking, like seeing how many tasks you have completed this week. The AI powered smart schedule suggests optimal due dates based on your habits at around $4 per month. It's a steal for power users. Pro number four, collaboration tools. Todoist also shines for teams. You can share projects, assign tasks, and leave comments. Perfect for work or even family planning, like organizing a vacation. The business plan, around $6 per month per user, adds team analytics and priority support. It is not as robust as Asana for big teams, but for small groups, it's a spot on. Cons. Number one in the cons, we have the free version limitations. The free version is great for basics, but it is limited. You miss out on reminders, labels, and advanced filters, which are locked behind the premium paywall. If you are just managing simple to do lists, it's fine, but power users will feel restricted without upgrading. Con number two, no built in time blocking. Another downside, Todoist doesn't natively support time blocking. If you love scheduling tasks to specific time slots, you will need to pair it with a calendar app. Competitors like TickTick have this built in, which might be a deal breaker for some. Con number three, learning curve for advanced features. Lastly, while the basics are easy, mastering filters and custom views takes time. If you are not tech savvy, you might underuse some of the Todoist best features. It is not a huge issue, but a simpler onboarding process would help. Who is Todoist for? It's perfect for students, freelancers, or small teams who want a clean, flexible app to manage tasks. If you love integrations and do not mind paying for premium, it's a fantastic choice. But if you need deep time blocking or robust team features, you might look at TickTick or Asana instead. Try the free version first. Pricing and value. Quick note on pricing. The free plan covers a basic task management. Premium is about $4 per month, and business is about $6 per month per user. Compared to competitors, it's reasonably priced, especially for the value you get with premium. And that is it. This is my honest take on Todoist in 2025. It's a powerful, user friendly app with a few quirks, but it is still one of the best for staying organized. Have you tried Todoist, or are you team TickTick or something else? Drop your thoughts down below in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and see you in a new review.